and welcome to this session on flame setting, practice on welding of thin sheet and gas cutting metals. Let us begin with the session.
Let us look at the objectives of this session. At the end of the session, you will be able to set gas pressure according to the nozzle size, select and fit the correct size nozzle according to the job thickness, set job for flat position, weld fusion run with and without filler rod using leftward technique, ignite, adjust and extinguish oxyacetylene flame. Shut the oxyacetylene plant for stopping work. Clean the weldment and visually inspect for weld defects. Let's learn about the procedure for the first task, that is oxyacetylene flame setting. Wear safety apparel. Open gas cylinders and adjust the gas pressures on the regulators. Open the control valve of the acetylene gas in the blowpipe. Ignite the flame by using a spark lighter. Adjust the acetylene flow till the black smoke goes away. Open the oxygen gas till a proper round inner cone is established without any sound in the flame. This is known as a neutral flame. Adjust the oxidizing flame by increasing the oxygen gas with sharp inner cone and little hissing sound. Set the neutral flame again and adjust the carbonizing flame by increasing the acetylene gas with the soft inner cone covered with an outer feather without any sound. Repeat the setting of the flames till you manage to set the flame without any backfire or flashback. Extinguish the flame by closing the acetylene valve first and then the oxygen valve. Dip the blowpipe nozzle in water to cool down by opening a little oxygen gas. Close the cylinder valves and release all the pressure from the line. Next, let us learn about the procedure for the second task, that is fusion runs without filler rod in flat position by gas. Check the size of the raw material using steel rule as per the drawing. Mark to the required size as per the drawing and file to size. Mark the bead position as per drawing. Clean surface with acetone. Set the job piece on the welding table with the left edge raised about 15 mm. Select an attached nozzle size 5 with a blowpipe which is of Indian oxygen make. Set the acetylene and oxygen pressure at 0.15 kg per centimeter square on the regulators. Wear safety apparel. Ignite using a spark lighter and set the neutral flame. Hold the blowpipe in position with the job at the right edge with a nozzle angle 60 degrees to 70 degrees with the welding line shown with punch marks, nozzle angle 90 degrees with the adjoining surface, distance of the flame cone 1.5 mm to 3.0 mm from the surface pointing leftward. Start heating and fusing the surface with a slight circular motion of the blowpipe. Move the blowpipe in a leftward direction keeping a uniform speed as you get local fusion of a small round pool of molten metal. Stop at the left edge and lift the blowpipe quickly. Extinguish the flame and cool the blowpipe in water. Clean the fuse surface with a steel wire brush. Inspect the uniformity of fusion runs. Repeat the exercise till you achieve uniform fusion. Let us now learn the procedure for the third task, that is, fusion run with filler rod in flat position by gas. Check the size of raw material using steel rule as per the drawing. Mark to the required size as per the drawing and file to size. Mark the bead position as per drawing. Clean surface with acetone. Set the workpiece on the welding table with the left edge raised about 15 mm. Select the nozzles size 5 of IOL make sapphire type. Set the acetylene or oxygen pressure at 0.15 kg per centimeter square. Select a mild steel copper coated CCMS filler rod of diameter 1.6 mm. Wear safety apparel. Ignite using spark lighter and set the neutral flame. Hold the blowpipe at an angle of 60 to 70 degrees on a punched line of sheet and make a small molten pool at the right hand edge. Hold the filler rod in the left hand, pointing near the molten metal with an angle of 30 to 40 degrees with the line of weld. Dip the end of the filler rod into the molten pool and add the filler metal on the job surface to form a weld bead. Move towards the left with a uniform speed along the punched line with a slight circular motion of the blowpipe and piston like motion of filler rod. Stop at the left edge and lift the blowpipe quickly. Extinguish the flame and cool the blowpipe in water. Clean the weld surface with a chipping hammer and a wire brush. Inspect for even ripples and uniform width or height of the weld bead. Repeat the exercise till you get good results. Let's now learn the do's and don'ts of flame setting practice. Avoid using any other source of fire other than spark lighter. Always stop the work by extinguishing the flame. Avoid excessive concentration of heat. If the metal becomes too hot, lift the blowpipe momentarily away from the molten pool. Keep the molten pool in the correct size by adjusting the rate of travel and the circular motion of the blowpipe. If the speed of the travel and the blowpipe motion are correct, the fusion runs will appear in uniform width and even ripples. Keep a flame cone distance of 2.0 to 3.0 mm from the job surface. Add enough rod into the molten pool to build up the bead evenly in height and width. Coordinate the rate of travel with the filler rod to control the size of the bead and the required penetration.
To recap, we have learned to set gas pressure according to the nozzle size. Select and fit the correct size nozzle according to the job thickness. Set job for flat position, weld fusion run with and without filler rod using leftward technique. Ignite, adjust and extinguish oxyacetylene flame. Shut the oxyacetylene plant for stopping work. Clean the weldment and visually inspect for weld defects. So that's all about flame setting. Hope you have understood all the concepts and exercises. See you in the next session.